Okay, so this is the Super Soco, the electrical moped that looks really cool. So what do we got here? Well, we got the tire, the wheel. The front wheel seems to be mounted here to the wood crate. Moped is in here. The 1200. Let's see what this is called again. It's called the TS 1200R Super Soco. It's made by Nanjing V-Motor Manufacturing Company in Nanjing City, China. Very good. Shipped here to Sweden. We'll try to remove this cardboard with one hand, obviously, because I'm holding the camera. See a little bit more of the Super Soco here. Looks really good. I actually tried one of these a couple of months ago at a reseller. I was surprised by how nice it was for being a moped, and electrical at that is. This one should have one battery. You see the foot pegs, they are already here. Okay, let's see some more here. Handlebar put here to the side a little bit, so I guess there will be a little bit of assembly, of course. The Swedish government actually gives 25% back on the purchase of an electrical bike or electrical moped, so this one is eligible for that. So yeah, hope it won't rust. You know, quality of stuff might of course differ. I'm not expecting this to be like maybe like a, I don't know, a Yamaha. It has been around for decades. Maybe this one is of less quality. Hope not, but I'm also being a little bit realistic. Okay, the dampener, soft, hard, can somehow be adjusted. I don't know if you need some tools maybe. Can't really tell from here. Single shock. Let's see if we can see anything else here. Rear light. This must be turning indicator, I guess. So this is where the registration number will go. You can see the electrical motor, a hub motor. They claim being from Bosch. I don't know, but that's what they say. It's a 1200 watts engine. Should be capable of up to 70 kilometers per hour, or what is that, 45 miles per hour or so. It's a little bit funny with the TS 1200R. Looks like a 1200 cubic centimeter motorcycle. Obviously those goes a little bit faster than this, but this one is in a way much cooler because it doesn't run on old dinosaurs, it runs on electricity. And since we have solar arrays on our house, it's going to be solar powered, this moped. Here we have the characteristic lamp headlight and the turning indicators. And it's a little bit cool that they have made it look like an engine, like a cooler. That is maybe a cooler of something, but it might also be just show. And scoop with the air intake also looks cool. Disc brakes, calipers, whatever calipers is, I don't really remember. And of course no chain. There's no need to have a chain when you have the hub motor in the rear. I wonder where the power cables to the engine goes. I haven't seen them. Yeah, there they are. Right here. Really thick ones. Let's see if you can see it from underneath here. Yeah, I have just gotten it registered and insured, and it's allowed to be on the road. So I think I should put down the camera and start assembling. What do you think?